Hey Kirk, do you think that Devil Matrix is gonna give us the power we need? I don't know, I kinda doubt it. Damn time drive ain't working properly. Without that time drive, we're gonna have a hard time getting back. Never should have burnt that out in the first place. Yeah, I agree. But it's done is done. We'll have to find another way back. Yeah. I just sure hope the Supreme Commander knows what he's doing. Yeah, same here. You know, you should have went down there. I don't know why you didn't. Hey man, give me a break. I've been drinking since 4 in the morning. Yesterday. I ain't going on no mission. Alright there, Mr. Barnes. Maybe next time we'll get down to the mission. Yeah, you can count me in. I'll be there. I don't know, the systems are not quite working, Blake. It's having trouble feeding the power through. Well, we need this drive running. Otherwise, we may be stuck out here. Come on, Dr. Power. Alright, I'm trying to do the best I can. How's that going over there? I'm about to give it a test, son. Get ready.